Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but you seriously need see this changes everything. You seriously need to see this. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. Is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it's completely gone. Let's be completely honest, finding